Want to effortlessly keep your monitor's software features up to date? With ASUS DisplayWidget Center, you'll be notified instantly whenever a new firmware is available, making the update process faster and easier. Open ASUS DisplayWidget Center and navigate to User Center. When a new firmware is released for your monitor, an update button will appear. Click the button to download the latest firmware file to your computer. Follow the instructions in the SOP document to complete the update. Once your monitor is updated, you can verify the firmware version in the User Center. With this feature, you'll no longer need to check the website for updates. Download DisplayWidget Center now and experience the ultimate convenience in screen settings.